Okay, so I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new parent box from Mama and Rue. I love the idea of this box because I don't know what kind of wrap or sling I'm going to prefer, or what little Torin here is going to prefer. So I thought this was a great option. It gives me multiple types of ring slings and wraps to try. All right. Sorry, he's a little fussy today. So, all right. First thing in my box is a ring sling. Take it out of the bag here a little bit. Beautiful and bright. The second thing I got in my box is a stretchy wrap. It's super, super, super soft, and I can't wait to try this one. And the last thing I got is a long woven wrap. Again, very fun, very bright, and very soft.